Hey guys, we received this Ocklen 3-pack bento lunch boxes for test and try. This comes with the spoon and a 4 compartment. So this is a meal prep container with the lids, leak-proof food storage that I will show you little later on. Comes in these 3 boxes, 3 packs. So this is a nice collection that comes in the 3-pack one. So you can easily clean one and take another one. So nice quality plastic with the 4 different hooks to control its proper locking. So they are around 9 inches by 6.3 inches in width and size and around 2 inches in the height. You can see the waterproof leaking covering or the casing and then plastic boxes. So 3 compartment and 4 compartment in total. And then you can also store your spoon. So this comes with one spoon and a fork combination that you can use to take it with you. So this small box is really very helpful. And then this material looks good as well because it can store, so easy to open. So I'm just testing the leak proof thing, so just putting in some water, and cleaning is also easy. As you can see, if I put water, that how easy it can spill and the skid, so it's easy to clean as well. So let me just close all this compartment thing and see like if any water is coming from it. So it's a very nice leak proof lunch boxes, so nice design, and can be taken with you like anywhere, and you can store multiple things in it. So all are same with the same 4 compartment, spoon and everything, only the color combination is different. So I'm just quickly showing it to you so that you have a feel of the colors and things inside and out. So they are the nice bento boxes and helpful for the kids or even for the adults to take their lunch in many portion, different compartments, and a leak proof design.